turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us.
Boingo. Bungus. Hi.
In 600 feet.
I'm not annoying. You're annoying. Oh, would you look at that? Huge storm coming. Yay. It's a car. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Is it just me, or does it look like it's really going to come down hard?
I think we're going to get a downpour off of this way.
That is a weird looking exhaust on that vehicle. Unless that's high beams.
That's a snorkel.
Snorkel.
They can bring it in the water.
Meep, meep.
In half a mile, take exit 28B for County Highway 10, Mounds View Boulevard.
It's on the outline. So I think we were at this location a couple weeks last time we got together.
Yeah,
No, legitimately.
I think so too.
Yeah, because they didn't have the plate number or something, because they just switched plates that day.
The van smells clean. I don't know what I'm going to do. What are you going to do now that the van's clean?
Get it dirty on this dirt road right here?
You going to go mudding?
Yeah.
You going to go whipping shitties in a dirt pile? Yeah, we just go through the car wash and then this happens. And what do you have to say?
I wanted to get all the bugs off of the grill.
Well, at least I don't have to get the bugs out of my teeth. Oh, there we go. There's a camera that I want. I don't know about that one now. That'd be either one would be interesting.
Leash? I'll put you on a leash.
Yeah, I just realized something. I'm walking through Walmart, right? I'm wearing a Target shirt. Wonder if anyone's going to stop me. But yeah,
What?
just wandering around, looking at all the hose is. Sir, that's the display. You can't be sitting in it.
There's nothing that says no sitting. Gosh.
Watch for hose. Are you sure you want to watch for hose?
Yes, and wet floors.
Well, the hose will make the floors wet, so. I dare you to push it open.
No, because that'll track around people.
You don't want security coming by and kicking you out?
I really don't. I've never been kicked out of a store.
I'm dead sexy. This is a sexy shot. Hey, just letting you know,
Mm-hmm.
I found you a drink.
I used to eat that when I was a kid.
Every normal person does.
And I used to eat crayons,
Again, every normal person does.
too.
Hey, hey, hey.
Should have grabbed a metal. Oh, fake. Oh. Not even. Oh, my. I used to have metal ones when I was a kid.
Hold out your hand.
Oh.
In the middle of our street. In the middle of our street. It's dark. It's like 9 o'clock at night. Everything now is closed pretty much. With the exception of a couple stores. We just got out of Walmart. Holy crap, I wish I would have been filming over in that direction. That's lightning. That's rain. Now I gotta use a plastic bag to keep my camera safe. Alright. This is really starting to worry me. It's been coming down hard for a while now. Basically since before we left Walmart. Well, at least we're getting them now. All I have to say is yay. Yeah, half the lights are out. It's raining hard. I can actually see the lines on the camera, but I can't see them. I can hardly see them normally. I don't know if it's actually showing up for you guys, but yay! Now I got 2 cameras, and I just got to try and get them in safely. One of them works great, the other one not so much. And I don't know how people are driving that fast. I'm just ready for somebody to spin out. Rolling, 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 what? Keep rolling, 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 yeah. It seems to have cleared up for now. Let's see how long this lasts. Not that
2
long.
miles. Use the left.
Oh, hey, there's a bunch of traffic up there on the side street. I would hate to be cutting it. Oh, look, it's a bridge. Let's hold our breath. Did you make it? Crash, 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 crash. I'm not really actually rooting for that. That would suck. It would make for good YouTube footage, but I don't know if I'm ready to sacrifice possible monetization on this video for witnessing a car crash. Well, I made it home. Found out one of my cameras that I have. This one isn't quite working. Must have fallen one too many times for audio. And of course, the one I'm using now is saying stop recording because there's a low recording speed. Because the SD card's having trouble saving files to the SD card. And I think I gotta update the date on this camera because it's saying today's date is yesterday. So, yay. Anyway, long and short of it, I didn't realize it'd be as rainy as it was today. Otherwise, I don't know if I would have gone out. I'm not saying that as a complaint. I'm just saying, you know, stuff happens. Sometimes I make mistakes. I definitely wouldn't have brought the camera out in this weather, knowing that it was rainy. So, I don't know. Learning as I go. But I have been playing Minecraft, so I've got a lot of videos saved. I've got a few more to edit down. A few of my videos are, you know, 2 to 3 videos worth. So I'm definitely going to be editing those down. I've got a lot of editing to do for my gaming channel. Yay. Also, for those of you following any of my channels, about a week ago, as of when I'm recording this, I said I was going to be taking a little bit of time off. I don't know whether I'm actually going to be taking any time off from my other 2 channels with the way things are going. This is the channel that I was going to be taking time off from, which I already was, but I don't know if I'm going to actually be, I don't know, cleaning everything in detail. I'm going to try to at some point, but I'm going to try and get back into the groove of things on this channel while still maintaining the other 2 channels. Let's see what happens.